Now, there are two main ways to create a YouTube channel. Number one is to create a new Google account or YouTube account. Number two is to create a new YouTube channel inside an existing YouTube account with a different channel. Now, both these ways will get you a brand new YouTube channel. Now, I'm a big fan of not putting all your eggs in one basket, so I'll start with the first option, which is to create a new YouTube account. Now, you can create a new YouTube channel by simply creating a whole new YouTube account, just a normal Google account. Simply go to google.com, click on sign up, go through the whole process, and sign up for a brand new YouTube account or Google account. Now, if you want to learn more about creating a Google account, then I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can watch that. Anyway, once you finish creating your Google account, just go to youtube.com and sign in with that Google account you just created. Your Google account is actually your YouTube account as well. Once you're signed in, you now need to create your YouTube channel, your first YouTube channel on this new YouTube account. So click on the avatar in the top right corner and select My Channel. Then from the page that pops up, give your YouTube channel a name. The default name that's selected there is obviously the Google account name, but you can change that in case you want a different name for your YouTube channel. And it's as simple as that. Now that the channel is created, you can now do some work on it, like customize the channel art, change your profile picture, add a description, some links, all that. Now, since this is the only YouTube channel in this YouTube account, it's the default channel and every video I upload will be deemed to have been uploaded from this channel. Now, having said that, it means you can create another channel inside this same YouTube account. And that brings me to number two, how to create a YouTube channel, a brand new YouTube channel inside an existing YouTube account, maybe with another YouTube channel or something. So you already have this YouTube channel in your YouTube account and you want a new channel, a brand new channel, possibly for different content, but you want both of these channels in the same YouTube account. Now, to do that, go to youtube.com and sign in with that existing account. Then click on your avatar and then select settings. On the settings page, click on create a new channel and give your new channel a name, and then click on create, and that's your new YouTube channel. You can now go ahead and customize it the way you want. In fact, I'll add a profile picture to this one just to differentiate it from the other one for your sake. There you go. So now, as you can see, I can switch between the two channels inside the same YouTube account. And this one here selected at the top is the current default channel, and every video I upload will be deemed to have been uploaded to that channel. So those are the two ways to create a brand new YouTube channel in your YouTube account. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. I'll be happy to answer those. But that's it for now.